Yes.
So once it comes on, you see this. This is the language settings.
Yeah, go to Play Store, then download
Where
this app
fit,
called
where fit
Where Fit
2.0.
Where Fit 2.0. Okay.
So you download this app where fit
Where
2,
Fit.
2.0.
That's the logo.
Yes. Or your post also. So now the app is yeah. So open. Agree. This one is just adverts. Just skip. So now you see all this place, you don't need all this registration. It's on this top right. You see enter directly. Just start from this. Then you are here. All these ones you can set the information if you want. But I'm going to just next. Save. Enable self-starting permission. Yes. Turn on. Permission. Okay. Change allowed. The person. So, so I'll turn on allow permission. Back. Turn on again. Allow. Come allow. Contact. Allow. Location. Allow. Why using this app? Microphone. Allow. Phone. Allow. SMS. Allow. Storage. Storage is not needed, but just allow everything. So once this is done, go back to the app. It's as if you're showing all these things, turn on, turn on. You have to allow almost everything. Self startup permission. This one is another story for another day. So turn on message notification. Left it. Allow. This one is turned on. I have turned on. So now this is okay. Stop again.
Connection process.
Yes, you come to me. See here we have connection management. You click on connection management. You see connect band. On. So it looks still searching for this. Where fit is asking to turn on Bluetooth. Allow. See i9. Rock. This one is another word. i9. The name of the word this is i9. Or you might see it as L9. So you just tap on i9 and wait for it to connect.
Connected.
Connected. So once that is done, the next step is to if you want to use the speaker function, once this is connected, you go to your Bluetooth and search for another device. The messages have started coming in.
That's already connected to messages.
messages, yes. So the call function, it will still ask you a question to allow microphone or something. But most times it comes up, it pops up. That's when the speaker functions are going to start working on all of that. So since we're done with this part, let me go to the app. This is where you can make changes. Hey, pause and stop. This one now is if you want to activate the app or notifications you want to be receiving here. You come down to device management. I don't know these ones are adverts, but if you're not connected to the internet, it's no problem. All this one come up. I think I need to off. So,
What is it for?
person, enter directly. New device management, 0% issue with teacher brother. Now, connection management. Sorry, smart reminder, call reminder, message reminder, alarm call, sedentary, app notification. These are the app, so you can deactivate the ones you don't use. Twitter, you can do Twitter, Weibo, Facebook, WeChat, Snapchat. That's it. Then this one, if you want to show rubber, if you raise your hand, the thing should come up. The watch should come on. This is the settings here. Basically, that's just it. The connection is very simple. But for the speaker to work, see, choose a binding bracelet, select i9 to connect, turn on Bluetooth. Basically, the information is even here, the setup process. So after this now, to make settings for call, you go to Bluetooth. Then i9 should pop up here, or Bluetooth speaker. Yeah, it's 13.
Go.
Okay, now that all the connections are done, you just find your way to this page. So once you're here, the next step to do is to connect. You can see I'm still receiving messages. So the next thing to see is you go to your Bluetooth device and search for Bluetooth. You see something like this 19th. Now this 19th you're connecting to is more of like connecting the speaker, that is the audio, so you can be able to receive call and answer call. Sparing.
Is that battery no work? Okay, it's
So once you're done, this thing is going to come up Bluetooth pairing request, pair with 19. Okay, connected for audio. Now most times if it doesn't come out, you go to your Bluetooth, search for device. Once you see i9th, you connect it to it. So once you see connected for calls and audio. So now I can go here, sorry, keyboard and dial a number. So that's it, very simple.